Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young go hard, and it's Friday night, and I should be partying, but I'm at home cleaning shoes because I am the party monster. Back in the house of Monster, back out with a brand new video, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a very special pickup that I made a couple of months ago. You guys might have saw a little bit of it in a vlog that I did, but today I'm going to be showing you guys the full in-depth detail review of my newest mini fridge, the Xbox Series 1 mini fridge, of course, that I got from Target a couple of months ago, the same day I did the vlog and my first sneaker meetup. I actually got this at the Target and everything, so if you guys saw that video, then you got a slight sneak little preview of it. But today I'll show you guys it in its full glory and everything, and yes, hope you guys enjoy this video. And like I mentioned in every video, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button and join the Monster Club, the best club on YouTube. Your boys working on a lot of dope content, a lot of new things, a lot of vlogs, a lot of traveling, and a lot of good things that I don't want you guys to miss out on. So, takes 2 seconds, hit that subscribe button, and again, join the Monster Club. I do appreciate it, but without further ado, let's get it. Okay, guys, so a little bit of a surprise. For those that don't know, I actually just signed up for the Whatnot app and everything, and your boy could be going live in an auction in a couple of weeks from now. I'll give you guys the full details very soon. As soon as I get approved and everything, I will be sure to give you guys the exact date and time so you guys can chill with me and just hang out, drinks, and just shoot the shit and just have a good time and everything. And yes, for those that are curious, I will be selling some vintage shirts that I picked up and shoes as well and everything, all in an effort to raise money for my vacation to WrestleMania. And a little bit of a sneak preview of what you're going to be seeing on that particular auction are these beauties right here. They are the KD Aunt Pearls. I believe these are a size 11-ish. Yep, they are a size 11, and yeah, I just cleaned these up and everything. You can see these are looking very good right now, and I'm not sure what I'm going to price these at, but just know if you guys are curious, then yes, check me out, Whatnot app. They're going to be there, and you guys are going to get a chance to purchase them and everything, and yes. Other than that, let's just take a quick toast to the Monster Club, the best club on YouTube. I got my Four Loko, of course. You know your boys out here feeling nice on a Friday night. The party's here on the east side. Yeah, let's take another one real quick. Whew, love it alcohol. But anyway, let's get into it. Last one, I swear. Okay. So, I got my box. We're getting right into it. I actually picked this up for retail. I think it was like 100 or 110. I'm not sure offhand. I think it was 100. And yeah, the crazy thing is, this thing was super hard to get when they originally were released about a year ago and everything. Like, I was even contemplating just getting it off of StockX and everything for 120, but I don't know. I just stayed patient, and luckily, I just happened to find one as I was browsing. I've actually been looking around for this for like months now, so yeah, let's get right into it. Of course, that's your styrofoam. You have your instructions, which I'm probably not going to ever read. So there they are. Okay, definitely not as big as I thought it was going to be, so that's a good thing. Because I definitely don't have too much room in my room and everything for it, but here it is. Check it out. Let me take the plastic off of it. Woo, let's not drop it, but here it is in all its glory. Very beautiful. On the back you have your AC adapters, your on-off switch. I don't know what this is, but yeah, let's just open it up real quick, just kind of give you guys a sort of point of reference. You have your adapters and everything, and yeah, your boy not gonna be able to fit a lot of beers in here, but maybe I'll just take that I'm sure I could take these out and everything, and just kind of frame of reference. Just kind of. So I'm gonna kind of guesstimate that I can probably fit probably 4 or 5 cans in here and everything, or bottles, just kind of depending on how I decide to work it. And kind of the cool thing about this particular refrigerator is the fact that it does actually charge my phone, and I would love to show you guys it, but I'm actually using the phone to record the video, so I kind of can't. But just place it on top, and it does charge the phone. And another cool thing about it is travel size, so in case you go on vacation or whatever, you can actually plug it into your car and have cold drinks as you're on your ride. I mean, you could just use a cooler, but that's just me. Anyway, you do have your adapters and everything, and yeah, give me like 2 seconds. I'm gonna see if I can like plug it in and give you guys a better look on the fridge. Okay guys, so I finally have it plugged in, and yeah, as you guys can see, it does light up, which is super dope and everything. And I believe this is where you would put your phone and have it charge automatically, which is a really dope touch and everything. Very beautiful. I can't wait to put this in my gaming desk setup and everything. Okay guys, so I kind of failed to mention the fact that I didn't even have the refrigerator on once I was showing you guys it lit up and everything, but once you turn the on button on, it takes about a split second to start chilling your products, which I think is amazing and whatnot. So kudos to them on that. But anyway, that's gonna do it for this quick review on the Xbox Series X mini fridge. I'm excited to have it finally in my possession. It took a while to finally get one, but it's definitely worth the wait, and I couldn't be more stoked about it and whatnot. Like, I am so excited to have a cold beer as I'm recording and vlogging or streaming or doing whatever while I'm talking to you guys. And yes, I will definitely make full use of that and everything. But other than that, thank you guys for hanging out with me tonight. And if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and definitely share it with a friend. I do appreciate it. And more importantly, if you guys feel the vibe, please subscribe. As always, you can follow me on Twitter at PartyMonster1 and on Instagram at PartyMonster05. And until the next video, remember, be excellent to each other and party on, dudes. Peace. I love y'all. Bye.